There is truly something special about bringing an idea from your mind to a piece of paper and finally to holding it in your hand. It is a difficult feeling to describe, but once you experience this process, you're hooked, and you only want to design and produce more things that have the possibility of bettering the world.
This industry holds tremendous importance for the future of our communities. And in future years, the manufacturing sector faces increasing demand with estimated 4.6 million manufacturing jobs that will be filled by 2028.
All of us need to do everything we can to flourish this manufacturing system within the next generation. One such way to aid in establishing a strong manufacturing foundation is through training and education that allows individuals to take the first steps into the manufacturing system. Once these individuals take these first steps, they then have a springboard to achieve success within their organizations. And once that success does occur, the community needs to do all that we can to highlight any individual's success.
The ongoing need for talented and skilled labor never abated. Manufacturers from across the state continue to look for those bright stars enthusiastic about a manufacturing career.